Suction cup man. Bro, it's been a while since they dropped the animation on this guy, Suction Cup Man, bro. Oh, he's fighting a bird. Let's see. Let's see. That boy's still climbing. That boy's still going up. Joe. You made it. Get the climbing good. Oh. The bird. Nah. Yo, he climbing a tall building. Nah, bro. Nah. Oh, yo, I'm kicking that nest. Yo, I'm messing that nest up, boy. Attacking me. Nah. Lord. Damn, we got backup. Go to the back of the building, cuz. There you go. There you go. Oh, this boy got unlimited inventory of this shit. Uh-oh. God, that boy thick hell. Hold on. That boy need these hands. You f***ing thick hell, boy. Yummy. Bro, oh my, bro. Yo, he's so good at it. Look how fat. Damn. Stupid. You ain't talking. Yo. Oh my god. This is crazy work. Oh my. Oh my god. Yo. There you go. Thank you. That would have been the first thing. Out of here. I'll rebuild your stupid. Yo. Dog. Now you want nah. I have, but I'm going back up. What you talking about? Stupid. I'll build you later. Oh my. You gonna throw hands? You gonna fuck him up, bro? What the fuck? Oh, now he way out. There you go. That's crazy. Jeez. Let me ain't say a damn thing. What is this, a sponsor, bro? Stupid. There you go. See, bro, some people deserve it. Yo. Nah, this was tough. What the hell? Bro, he didn't say a damn word. He didn't say not one word. He ain't say one word. That's crazy. Nah, W video, bro. The last suction cup man video they did, dog, wasn't it like 2 years ago? Because I remember reacting to maybe 2 or 3 of these videos. Was it, bro? It was like 3. Damn, 2-3 years ago. That's OD, bro. It's so good. Should send it to animation festivals. An episode of Suction Cup Man without any swears. They should said it couldn't be done. Suction Cup Man having an infinite supply of suction cups extremely in character. Deadass. I don't see anybody comment on the music. It's amazing, orchestrated. It reminds me so vividly of old cartoons. That's true, bro. It's hard to like. For one, he's not talking. Okay, he's not talking. So it's hard to kind of like pay attention and listen to what the sounds when you have visuals. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. After 3 years, the greatest super 3 years. Look at that, bro. 3 years is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. W video, man. Let me know what you guys thought.